How to use Google Keep for setting and ticking tasks. Google Keep allows you to create simple checklists, set reminders, and mark completed tasks. On your phone. 1. Open the Google Keep app and sign in with your Google account. 2. Tap Create at the bottom right corner. 3. Select the new List for Checklist icon. 4. Enter a title, such as Tasks for Today. 5. Type each task separately. Reply to students' messages. Review manuscript. Prepare lecture slides. Attend departmental meeting. 6. Tap Enter after each task to add another checkbox. How to tick completed tasks. Tap the empty checkbox beside a task after completing it. The item will be crossed out and placed among the completed items. Tap the checkbox again to return it to the active list. You can control whether completed items move to the bottom by opening Menu Settings List Behavior. How to set a reminder. 1. Open the checklist. 2. Tap the bell or Remind Me icon. 3. Select Pick Date and Time. 4. Choose the date, time and whether the reminder should repeat. 5. Tap Save. The reminder can also appear in Google Tasks and Google Calendar. On a computer. 1. Open Google Keep in your browser. 2. Click the new list icon beside Take a Note. 3. Enter the title and tasks. 4. Click Done. 5. Click each checkbox as you complete the tasks. Useful organization tips. Use Pin to keep an important task list at the top, apply labels such as research, teaching, or personal, and use different background colors to separate categories. A simple daily list could be titled Tuesday Priorities. Send program flyer to professors. Review students' projects. Prepare Facebook content. Respond to emails. Plan tomorrow's activities.